Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a watercolor off of a watercolor block. So we've got the Blick Studio cold press 100% cotton watercolor block here. And do you see this? This is what holds your watercolor block together on the nicer pads. The less nicer pads, like the Fluid 100, it's just like glue. This is, I don't know, I can't tell if it's wax or shellac or what. And this is actually very similar to the Canson, not the Canson, the Arches blocks. So I'm going to use a small blade. I'm going to slip it in here, in between the sheet I'm trying to remove and the next sheet. And I'm just going to very carefully slice this. They say you can use a palette knife to do it. I've never really had success with that. And I usually only need to get it started on like a corner on that way, and then this way to the corner here. I'm going to do that off camera because it's actually incredibly hard to do it with these limitations. So I've got both corners started. I can now carefully start prying it off. And if I need to, I can always grab my blade again, because this corner wants to be a little tricky, and use that to just sort of help get it going. So that is how that is a method for removing a watercolor from the watercolor block. That might seem like a lot of trouble, but using a watercolor block can be great if you don't need to run your paper through a printer to print blue lines. It holds your paper nice and taut. You don't have to stretch it, and it's not going to buckle, it's not going to cockle, it's not going to start getting all wavy like that, and you just leave it on until it's fully dried, and then you remove it, and it's pretty much perfectly flat like this. So I hope you found this video helpful, informative, and inspiring. I hope it answered some of your questions. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. And I hope to see you guys again really soon with another watercolor tutorial, tip, trick, or demonstration. Bye, guys!